Hello friends, in today's video we will see that how we can convert a spreadsheet into a table and what are the advantages of this, right? So through table we can manage the data in more structured way, and also it is helpful to represent data in managed way. And after converting data in table, it is not required to do codings or formatting for our data again and again, and we can share that particular table to add more data, right? So let's just start with our live example. We have a sheet where we have a students list of students of class 5th, and we can see that we have marks of maths, science, English, what marks they have obtained in particular subjects, right? Also we have a column of total, percentage, and grade uh, that we have obtained, right? So for converting this table, what we can do, we just either click on any data on this, or we will select complete table, and we have an option in home tab and format as table. When we click on this format as table, it is showing many options of format. We can choose this green or blue or orange kind of thing, whatever as per our requirement. So let me choose blue one. So here it is asking, it is showing the data range, that which data range need to be changed as table, and it is also asking whether my table has header or not. Sometimes if it is not required that header should be there in our table, then we will deselect it, else it will default it is showing as selected, and we will click on OK button. After, as and when we will click this on OK button, it is converted in a table format, right? So in table format, what changes we can see? We can see that it is its color is being changed. We have a lines or grid about this table, and we also have this drop down for selection or sorting of this data. So in future, if suppose we need some data for only meta, or we have thousands of student or thousands of data in this row format, like instead of this students data, we have some shops data where we have multiple products or multiple items in our list, and we have rate, and when we bought this, how much stock is available. So if we want to select those, that we can we have this drop down as well, right? Also we have one this tab extension button, right? You can, I think it is a viewable by you, right? So this is required for deselecting or expanding the table, right? Now what is benefit of this table? Suppose another day we have one more student with us, right? As and when we will click on this, so now you can see that table is all expanded on his own. We didn't added any row or anything, it just added a new row or new data, right? Now suppose I will give some marks for student, so you can see that total, percentage, and grade are already coming automatically. Those are coming, right? So these are not required. So now in future, or if I need this data instead of class 5th, we will give this table to class 6th class teacher, or class 10th class teacher, class 4th class teacher. Then they will just change their name and marks obtained by the student, and system will automatically calculate total, percentage, or grade, etc., and particular data sheet will be prepared instantly, right? So these are the benefits of converting this data into table format, right? We have three options of converting this data to table. So one option is through home table and format as table, where we can select multiple options for selecting or choosing the data, right? And we also have an option in this insert and this table column, right? Home insert table, right? And we also have an option of shortcut key as Control T, CTRL plus T. So when we will click on this Control plus T, system will automatically convert the table data into table, right? So one last point we want to know that after adding the table, suppose in case I need to remove this table formatting, how it will be done? Because we know that how we can add or we can convert the data into table, but now I want to remove this table, right? So as and when I click on this table, we have one table tool as table tool, right? So we will click on this table tool, and in this table tool, or we just click on this right click table and convert to range, right? So this convert to range will be change this data into a normal range itself. Okay? So this option is also available here in table tools convert to range, or we can also click on right click, select the table, and system is showing convert to range. So we have two options for converting table into range. We will just click on this, system will ask confirmation message, we need to click on yes, and now it is changed as table. If now I will add any data, then system will not add any new or not expand any new record, right? It is showing because Excel is too smart to change this data, right? So that's all, right? So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and post your comments, and also subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you and bye bye.